Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to hide your followers list from others on your TikTok account. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. This is great when you want to maintain some privacy on your TikTok account. And I would say this is quite useful for business owners who want to hide accounts that give them resources and ideas from their competitors. So let me show you how to do this. Open your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on your profile tab at the bottom right. Now tap on the three lines at the top right. Now from this menu, tap on privacy. Then scroll down and find following list. As you can see, it is currently set to everyone, so that means everyone can see who you're following. Tap on it and change it to only me. This will hide your followers list from anyone trying to view your profile. So here I'll log in as another account and show you what would happen if someone tries to view your followers list. When you go to that account, tap on following and you'll see the message at the top. The following list is hidden due to this user's privacy settings. And there you go, that is how to hide your followers list from others on your TikTok account. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.